Let's unbox the Dyson Clean+Wash Hygiene Wet Cleaner. Inside the box, you'll find the machine body, handle, cleaning and charging dock, water tank, dirty water and debris tray, microfiber roller, and Dyson O2 probiotic cleaning solution, along with a quick start guide and warranty and safety information. The handle arrives separate from the machine body. To attach it, line it up with the opening on the machine, then push it down until it clicks into place. The microfiber roller has 84,000 microfiber filaments that rapidly absorb every kind of mess. As the roller turns, a self-cleaning mechanism removes the dirt and hair with every pass. When you're done cleaning, place the machine back on the hot air drying dock. The dock charges, cleans, and hot air dries the machine. It also flushes the whole system before drying the roller with 185-degree air to help prevent the growth of bacteria and odors. For cleaning, use Dyson O2 probiotic cleaning solution. It's non-foaming, deep cleans at the microscopic level, helps keep floors smelling fresh, is harsh chemical-free, and safe to use in homes with pets.